What's up guys, who's going to FABTECH 2023 this year? Because I'm bringing part of our team for the first 2 days. We're gonna walk the show. We got some customers there, prospects there, have some meetings scheduled. We wanna meet with everybody.
Day one, we spent the entire day in the D Hall, see some of the bigger machines, bigger companies, get some footage of it, learn a couple things, have some conversations. Let's go. Normally when we go to these trade shows, people don't want to engage with us. There's a lot of big companies here, smaller ones too. We're just having conversations, making connections, ended up resulting in some opportunities and leads. Visiting with our current customers, bringing them some more attention with the video. You guys will see all that footage. Hopefully you've enjoyed it, got some value out of it. But at the end of the day, we just came to support the manufacturing industry, have some meetings, and get some footage of other people that are doing the things that are beneficial to the industry. Filming some of the content, learning some new stuff about the industry, whether it's fabrication or machinery, equipment, all the auxiliary stuff. Some very cool stuff was shown here. Made some new friends, and we hope to see you at the next one, FABTECH 2024, in October in Florida. Let's go.